Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we're embarking on a culinary adventure to explore the mouth-watering world of Portuguese pork sandwiches. Not only will we tantalize your taste buds with these delectable creations, but we'll also uncover some fascinating, lesser-known facts about them. So, let's get started. Our journey begins with Bifana, the Portuguese pork sandwich, a beloved street food across the country. A bifana typically consists of thinly sliced marinated pork served in a Portuguese roll. What makes it truly unique is the marinade, often featuring garlic, paprika, and a secret blend of spices, giving it a deliciously spicy kick. This beloved sandwich has its roots in Lisbon and is believed to have been introduced by Indian immigrants in the 19th century. Today, it's a symbol of Portuguese street food culture. The bifana is not just a snack, it's a cultural institution in Portugal. It's often enjoyed at social gatherings, festivals, and even during sports events. So, don't be surprised if you find yourself in the midst of a lively crowd while savoring this delicious sandwich. Pork is used in various traditional dishes, and it's a key ingredient in many beloved recipes, making it a vital part of Portuguese culinary heritage. From leitão to porco preto, the diversity of pork dishes in Portugal is simply incredible. This delightful sandwich has gained international recognition, and many food enthusiasts worldwide seek out bifana when visiting Portugal. What's the secret behind the taste of a bifana? It's the secret sauce. Each has their unique sauce recipe that gives distinct flavor. The sauce is a well-guarded secret, and trying different bifana stands can be a flavor adventure. One of the best ways to enjoy a bifana is by pairing it with a cold juice. It's a popular choice among locals, and it's a fantastic way to enjoy the flavors of Portugal. Attending a bifana festival is a fantastic way to explore the world of bifanas in one place. Portuguese bifanas often feature pork that is aged and marinated to perfection. The process of marinating the pork, sometimes for hours, ensures that the flavors are deeply infused, resulting in a mouth-watering sandwich. The bifana is often considered Portuguese fast food, and it's not just a snack but a quick, satisfying meal that you can enjoy on the go. For those with dietary restrictions, some eateries in Portugal now offer vegetarian and vegan versions of the bifana, ensuring everyone can savor its unique flavors. The popularity of the bifana has reached international shores, with Portuguese communities and restaurants worldwide serving their unique take on this iconic sandwich. The type of bread used for bifanas can vary by region. While some prefer soft, white rolls, others opt for crusty, rustic bread, adding their own unique touch to the sandwich. The secret sauce used in bifanas varies from vendor to vendor, and some have passed down their sauce recipes for generations, ensuring a unique flavor profile. Bifanas are enjoyed at various times of the day, but they're especially popular for a late-night snack, making them the perfect comfort food after a night out. Despite its reputation as a street food, bifanas often contain quality ingredients and can be surprisingly nutritious when enjoyed in moderation. In addition to street vendors, there are restaurants specializing exclusively in bifanas, offering an extensive menu of bifana variations. Let's see the making process. Cook the pork. In a skillet or pan, heat the olive oil over medium-high heat. When the oil is hot, add the marinated pork slices. Sear the pork slices for about 2-3 minutes on each side until they are cooked through and have a nice golden brown color. Optional. Once the pork is cooked, you can deglaze the pan with white wine, scraping up any flavorful bits from the bottom to create a simple sauce. Slice the Portuguese rolls in half horizontally. Place a cooked pork slice in each roll. Optional. You can add a dollop of mustard or a drizzle of hot sauce for extra flavor. Sliced pickles also make a tasty addition. Close the roll, pressing it gently to hold all the delicious ingredients together. Your Portuguese pork sandwich, or bifana, is ready to be served. There you have it, fascinating and unknown facts about Portuguese pork and beef. Please share your thoughts and any additional facts you know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting food and culture explorations. Until next time, keep savoring the flavors of Portugal and beyond.